that shit 100 since the first day. I deserve it all.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a side part, and that's on period. We transforming from Miss Natural to something classy. So we doing a side part with like a bang swoop. And that's all I gotta say, cause like we just gonna get right into this video. Like that's just on period. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn on that notification button too, so cause your girl needs some point. Okay, let's go. First, I blow dried my hair and I started sectioning it off so I can be able to flat iron it and be able to just braid it down because my hair be tangling it up and I don't like that. So yeah. So after I finished flat ironing my hair, I actually started on doing the leave out part in the braids, and that's what you'll see me doing, but I'm just trying to explain everything, but just stay tuned. In this section of the video, I started actually braiding down the leave out part. So the leave out is actually the extra hair, which is your hair that you leave out and then cover up the tracks and stuff with. So that's what I was doing. I actually did like a side part, so it was like somewhat in the middle, but not all the way in the middle, but from the middle of the eyebrow parted like that. And then I started doing the regular braids that go underneath. So I parted in the back because I was going to actually connect all the braids in the back where you see me part a little section in the back. So that's what I was going to do. Then after I finished all the braids, I connected it all to the one braid in the back. That's why I did the leave out with the hair in the back. I braided all the braids into that one braid so I don't have to really sew too much hair down. And I say that because sometimes when you sewing hair to your head, it actually break off your hair, and I hate when it happen like that. So I don't even use too much thread and stuff. So what I did was measured everything on my head first and then glued it on the cap so I could be able to see the back. I put it on the mannequin and glued everything on there. So after I actually finished painting all the hair on the cap, I actually started flat ironing it. I was gonna curl it, but then I was like, maybe later. But if I do curl it, I'm gonna insert a video at the end. So just stay tuned and enjoy, period. Then I cut the excess cap off and I started like going over it again with the flat iron. Then I just started sewing it onto my head, and that's about what was going on, because I didn't even record the part when I was cutting the part off, but that's what it is. So after I was done, I actually started working on my leave out part. Now the side part right there that you see me blow dry, I didn't record that part because I forgot. And then all I did was actually flat iron it, put some spritz on it, and blow dry it down. Flat iron it about a couple of times, and then I started doing my edges.
Thank you for clicking this video. Hope you enjoyed. And you know, I'm giving you very much Aaliyah vibes. Period. Period. Stiff well, baby girl. Stiff well. Period. Let me turn this way. Okay. Period. 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 Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and turn on the notification button, because I am going to be posting every week. So just stay tuned, and that's just on that. I'm going to go do my nails and my little eyelashes and include a video. But thank you for watching. Period.